Everybody begins with mindless japa and then increases his mindfulness. Percentage goes on changing. Few rounds will be mindless, and over 6 months you will see that okay, I am able to almost all the rounds mindful, because when it goes towards mindless japa, you again bring it back to mindful japa. This whole bringing it back itself, it trains the mind. That means after some time the mind itself will learn, no, don't take away the attention, be here. As I told you, mind is our servant. What you teach, you go on repeatedly teaching it. Once it goes, bring it back. Goes, bring it back. Goes, bring it back. It goes away, bring it back. From mindless, bring it to mindful. Very soon, you will have created a center in your mind which will stand like a security guard. No, nothing, no going out, be there. Then very nicely, you will have mindful chanting. If we are preparing our background mind, content of the background mind nicely, japa attention will not go anywhere, because it will be a meaningful activity. Only when you ritualistically do, the mind goes away. When there is rasa, mind will stay. Just like I tell you, will your attention go away from eating a tasty food, tasty meal? Do you have to control your attention and bring it? Oh, don't mindlessly eat. Please mindfully eat. No. Why? Because there is taste, there is rasa. What does the Vaishnava philosophy says? If you hurt somebody, you should go and apologize. You should cancel out that. You know the story of Durvasa Muni and Ambarish Maharaj. If you hurt a Vaishnava, then it is one of the Nama Aparadas to blaspheme the devotees who dedicated their lives for the holy name, for spreading the holy name. So then there also holy name will be upset. You will not get all the benefit unless you become humble and stop that mentality. When you do fast chanting, your mind may still be chanting Hare Hare, but that last Hare, it goes away. You don't hear it all. So please hear the chant, hear distinctly, chant distinctly and hear sharply. This is a code word I am giving. Distinctly chant and sharply hear. I don't have spiritual senses and spiritual to touch the Aprakritanama, but I have attention to touch, because attention is spiritual either way, in the material world or in the spiritual world. Attention is spiritual. So therefore just see how valuable our attention is. The biggest thing the Maya has played with us is to take away our attention, bewilder us with some other field from the real field. So self-realization simply means awakened attention. That means coming out of the dream. So what is a covering? Covering is nothing but our interpretation of this world, our perception. That is why it is said that whenever we say illusion, it is connected to perception. You cannot say, okay, here is a real thing and here is an illusion. You cannot say that. Because illusion is not a thing. Illusion is a misreading of this thing. There is no thing outside like that called illusion. Illusion is in the perceiver. It's a function of perceiver. So the moment So perceiving means what? Moment I perceive with true knowledge and I don't misperceive that I am this body and everybody is their body, my awakening has begun. Because this world is not illusion. My reading is illusion. And that is why Chitta Shakti, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The Lord's Chitta Shakti touches our soul, then that is good enough for the flow of energy and awakening us. Your attention problem will be solved if it becomes very clear to you who is before you, why you are serving, and all this. The mechanical thing goes away. As I told, japa is a loving relationship. Japa is not a process. In the beginning it may be a process, but otherwise it is not. It is more than a process. It is a relationship through a process. Okay, encourage. I'm not just touching the ordinary sound. There behind the ordinary sound, there is the empowering sound, who is the Prakrita Nama, and I am touching. And through that touch, to my spiritual mind, Lord's Kripa will flow in, and my spiritual mind will wake up out of this dream that I am this body.